In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot YouTube Kids app. So if you're experiencing any problem or any challenge with the YouTube Kids app, maybe the app can't respond, or it is not opening, or it takes too long to open, then let me show you how you can fix this problem once and for all. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, I have here my YouTube for Kids app, and there are quite a number of steps I can take or you can take to be able to troubleshoot it. In the first method, we are going to access the app information page for us to troubleshoot it. And to do so, just go to settings. And from settings, look for the option called apps. And under apps, you'll see this option called manage apps. Go ahead and tap on it. For your smartphone, it might be written all apps or more apps. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, go ahead and look for your app. And as you can see, my YouTube Kids app is here. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we are on YouTube app info page. At this point, we can now begin our troubleshooting. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method you can use to access it. For that, just go back and then look for your app. And once you find your app, just long press on it. And you'll see here we have these three options: share, app info, and remove. Go ahead and tap on app info. And at this point now, we are good to go. Now at this point, we want to go ahead and clear the app data. So if I tap on storage here, you can see we have a lot of app data. And more especially, we want to first clear cache data. Now, when we talk of cache data, we are talking of small files that your app normally stores to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. So to clear them, just go ahead and tap on this clear data. And then select the second option, clear cache. If you click on it and then OK, now you can see our cache data has been cleared. At this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then open this app to see if the problem has been solved. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and again come back to this app info page, and this time round, go ahead and clear all data. So for this, just click on clear data and then choose the first option, clear all data. And if I click on it, you can see we have cleared all data. At this point, now everything should be okay and your app should be up and running without any problem. However, if you're still experiencing any other problem, then you might want to proceed and then go ahead and look for the app through Google Play Store and see if there is any update. If you find we have any update, it means you have been using an outdated version of YouTube Kids app. Now, one of the reasons why your app might malfunction is because you have been using an outdated version of YouTube Kids app. So go ahead and update it to the latest version and then proceed and tap on it to open and start using the latest or the newest version. So at this point, everything should be okay and your app should be up and running without any problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.